Is it possible to retrieve permanently deleted hidden apps on iPhone?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a very common question. Is it possible to retrieve permanently deleted hidden apps on iPhone? We'll explore various ways to potentially recover these apps and look at the limitations that come with it.
What happens when you delete an app?
When you delete an app from your iPhone, it's removed from your device completely. This means that it's not hidden somewhere on the phone, it's truly gone. However, this doesn't mean you can't retrieve it. The app's data, unless it's a type of app that stores information in your iCloud account or other cloud service, is typically removed along with the app itself.
Can you retrieve a permanently deleted app?
Yes, you absolutely can. Even if an app is permanently deleted, you can re-download it from the App Store. But remember, any data that was not backed up will not return with the app. This is why it's essential to regularly back up your device, especially if you're using apps that don't automatically store your information in the cloud.
How to retrieve a permanently deleted app?
To retrieve a permanently deleted app, follow these steps. 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. 3. Choose Purchased from the list. 4. Select My Purchases. 5. Search for the app you deleted and want to retrieve. 6. Tap the cloud icon or Install to re-download it.
What about hidden apps?
If you've hidden an app on your iPhone and want to retrieve it, you can do so by going to the App Store, tapping on your profile icon, and then choosing Hidden Purchases. From there, you can reinstall any apps that you've previously hidden. So, to wrap things up, while you can't technically retrieve a permanently deleted app with all its data unless it was backed up, you can definitely re-download the app from the App Store. And for hidden apps, they're just a few taps away from being visible and usable again. Always remember to back up your data regularly to avoid any potential loss. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for tuning in.